This is the Sobro coffee table. The Sobro is a future of furniture, designed for your connected lifestyle. With a refrigerated drawer, Bluetooth speakers and charging ports, the Sobro keeps you powered up and in the moment. Technology has changed over the past 20 years. These days, we're looking for quick solutions to solve our problems and ways to simplify our lives. This got us thinking, while everything around us has advanced, why hasn't furniture? This is why we designed the Sobro coffee table, furniture reinvented for your modern lifestyle. Charge your phone and laptop with the outlets on the side of the table. When you're done, roll up your cords and stash them in the drawers.
Say hello to Echo Plus, a hands-free speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features premium audio powered by Dolby and a built-in hub that can quickly set up and control your smart home devices. Just say, "Alexa, discover my devices."
Discovering devices.
And Echo Plus does the rest. Now your voice can lock the doors, brighten the room, and more. Alexa, turn on the living room light. Ready for some music? Just ask to play your favorite songs from your favorite places. Alexa, play some country.
Here's a station for country music.
Alexa can also wake you up, fill you in, call almost anyone, and more. Best of all, Echo Plus and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Plus from Amazon.